If you're a busy professional like me and you hate the gym because you feel like it's a waste of time, this video is for you. Just like you, I used to go to the gym and instantly regret it. One, because it was boring. Two, because it felt like a waste of time. And I wasn't consistent because I didn't like it and it just felt like I was just failing. I have a career that's going well. I had started a business, but at the same time, I still felt like a failure because I wasn't losing weight. I wasn't consistently putting my efforts into anything when it came to weight loss. And that's what I really wanted. I've even had times where I say to myself, why go to the gym when I can just really focus on my career, my business, and focus on other things? And why do I just focus on the gym when I just don't see any results at all and I feel like I'm wasting time and I have a lot of things to do, and the gym is just one of those things that's just not helping me get to where I want to get to. And for a long time I thought the problem was me. I thought I was just not as disciplined, and people that make it are just people that actually go to the gym consistently, people that actually make time to go to the gym. But honestly, I just hated the gym. It was just boring, looking at those boring walls, looking at the same people, looking at the same thing, and I just needed a change. But I wanted to lose weight so bad to the point where I started thinking differently. What if I just stopped going to the gym completely? What if I found a different way to incorporate my business, my job with weight loss? Since it's really nice outside, I thought to myself, why don't I just go outside and go for walks? And that's what I did to really lose 15 pounds. Go on walks, get on a strict calorie deficit, and also something that I wasn't expecting to happen that really helped me stay consistent was the fact that I could take phone calls while I'm walking, respond to emails while I'm walking. I can brainstorm while I'm walking. And I really noticed that the more consistent I was walking, the more my mind just expanded because there was just so much to look at, so much space to think about different ideas for my business, for my job, for other things in my life. And it helped me 3x my productivity. And who would have thought with just walking that I was able to do two things at once? Lose the weight and be productive in other areas of my life. And I started to realize that I was consistent. I could be consistent. And instead of doing a 30-minute treadmill workout in the gym, instead I can do an hour and a half walk outside in nature, in the park, in the trail, on a hike, and think better and listen to podcasts. And it really helped me do better in all areas of my life. And I believe that this is the best system for busy professionals, the walk and work system. And this system is a system that has truly transformed my life. Now I feel more confident because of all the weight that I've been able to lose. And 15 pounds might not sound like anything crazy to some people, but for me it was, because it changed a lot of my life. It changed my confidence. I run my business differently. And once I started staying consistent in this method, the weight just kept going down. Like, I would weigh myself every 2 weeks because I didn't want to get disappointed because I was still new to it, but I was scared and I wasn't sure. But walking every single day for an hour truly works, y'all. Like, the weight was going down. It kept going down every 2 weeks, probably every week, but I was just making sure every 2 weeks just to not scare myself if it didn't go down. But it kept going down every time, every single time. And that's how I was able to lose weight. So what I really want you to do is download Google Gemini, which is an AI platform. Download it, put your height, your weight, and put how much weight you want to lose. In this case, it's 15 pounds. And it's literally going to tell you how many calories you should eat every day to be in that calorie deficit to be able to lose weight. Literally speak into it. You don't have to like text it or anything. Speak into it what you're having for breakfast, and it's going to give you like an estimate when it comes to calories. And I highly recommend you do this. This is what I did to lose weight, literally. And I'm at the point where I really rarely use Google Gemini when it comes to counting my calories, just because I kind of know now how much certain things are when it comes to calories. So I highly recommend you do that and just walk for an hour every day. That's all you have to do. Stay in your calorie deficit. Take pictures because you're going to see a before and after. And this is what I did, and I'm so happy I did this because it's going to be kind of hard for you to see results because it's you. You look at yourself in the mirror every single day, just like me, and I didn't really see results at first, just looking at myself the first couple of weeks, because it's water weight, so that's normal. But after the 4 weeks, that's when I started seeing results. And first, it was through pictures. So take pictures, I would say every 2 weeks. Take pictures every 2 weeks. 1 or 2 pictures, same angles, same place, same lighting, so you can truly see the difference. And that's what truly motivated me to keep going. And also, like I mentioned, the fact that I was getting more done while walking. And I'm not perfect, nobody's perfect. And the reason why I was really able to lose the weight is because I understood how this works. Being in a calorie deficit and walking is like being on a budget. And I'm gonna really tell you what I mean, because you're probably like, what are you talking about? So let's say I go over my calories today, right? I eat 1,300 calories a day. 1,300 calories. So let's say I eat 1,600 calories, which is over my calorie deficit. So what does that mean? That means that tomorrow I have to walk a little more. So let's say I walk for an hour and a half and I lose 400 calories. I'm already way less than what I was in my calorie deficit. So that's kind of how you have to look at it. If I spent a little too much money this week, then I have to make sure that I save a little more next week. That's kind of how calories and walking works. And walking is truly the best form of weight loss. I completely believe that. And it doesn't even feel like you're exercising because you're getting so much done. But if you want to lose weight without sacrificing your productivity and you want more mental clarity for your business and your career, click the link in the bio to join the waitlist.